Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version, Math, Multiples and Factors. Exercise 5. Question number 2. Find the GCF. What GCF means? GCF means greatest common factors. Greatest common factor. And what factor means? Example, factors of 4. The numbers that divides 4 are called factors of 4. So factors of 4 are 1 divides 4, 2 divides 4, 3 doesn't divide, 4 divides. So 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. So we need to find the common factors, and the greatest means the biggest factor. Okay, and let us start. In case of finding GCF instead of LCM, the process or the procedure is a bit different. In case of greatest common factor or highest common factor, remember, greatest common factor and highest common factor are same thing. It is also known as highest common factor. Same thing. So we have to divide with prime factor that divides each of the numbers here, not only 2. In case of LCM, if we could divide 2 only, we divided. But in case of GCF or HCF, the number we select, that has to divide all of these numbers, each of these. If there is 4, that has to divide all 4. And once we are finished, we will not multiply these factors. We will multiply only these factors. Okay, let us start. Number 1, 4 and 5. Number 1 means bracket 1, 12 and 18. 12 and 18. What divides both? 2. 6 into 2, 9 into 2. And then next, what divides? 3. 3 into 2, 3 into 3. And we are done. So we will multiply 2 and 3 to find GCF. Therefore, GCF equals to 2 into 3 equals to 6. Answer 6. Now bracket 4. Let us do 4. I think you can do 2 and 3 yourself. These are not difficult. So we will do just 4 and 5, the difficult ones. 4, 54, 36 and 72. What divides all? 2 divides all. So 25 and 26. 27 actually, 27. 27 into 2 is 54. 18 into 2 is 36. And 36 into 2 is 72. What divides all? 3. 3 into 9, 3 into 6, 3 into 12. And what divides all? Yes, 3 divides all again. 3. 3 into 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 4. Is there any number that divides all these numbers? No. So what is the GCF? GCF equals to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 equals to 18. Answer 18. 18. Number 5, bracket 20, 30, 36, 45. 20, 30, 36, 45. What divides all these numbers? 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. So actually 20, no. 30, no. 36, no. 45, no. So only one divides all. In few cases, this will happen. You will see only one divides, and there is no other number except one that divides all. So 1 into 20, 1 into 30, 1 into 36, 1 into 45. So the factors are here only one. Common factor is only one. Therefore, GCF equals to 1. Answer 1. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.